Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. In previous class we learned the parallel lines, linear pairs, transversals. So today class is 4th chapter, 9th class 4th chapter, lines and angles. So lines and angles, exercise 4.4. First question. In the given triangles, find out angle x, y and z. So here three diagrams are given. So here first x angle, we find the x angle. So here triangle, two insides are angles are given, one outside angle, exterior angle, we find the exterior angle. So here interior angles. So here axiom is exterior angles is equal to, this exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, sum of these two angles. Suppose here 60 plus 50 is equal to 110, x equal to 110 is the answer. So here first one, this exterior angle equal to sum of these two interior angles, sum of opposite interior angles. So here x degrees is equal to, here 50 plus 60 degrees. So exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, sum of the interior angles. So therefore x equal to 110 is the answer. Next, here second diagram, here one triangle, here two interior angles given and exterior angles, we find the exterior angle. So here this z equal to sum of opposite interior angles, here z is equal to 60 plus 70. So therefore z is equal to 60 plus 70, since exterior angles is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, So here therefore z is equal to 130 degrees. So next the third one, here third diagram also given. Here third one is the, here also same, one exterior angle, here we find the exterior angle, two interior angles are given. Here also y is equal to 35 plus 45, 35 plus 45 equal to 80. So here also same axiom, exterior angles is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, therefore y equal to 80 is the answer. This is the first one answer. So first bit and next second and third bits. Next second question, in the given figure AS is parallel to BT, so angle 4 equal to 5, so SB bisect angle AST bisect SB means angle 2 equal to angle 3. Find the measure of angle 1. These two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. So now here we find the angle 1. Now first we write the given data. Given here AS is parallel to BT and angle 4 equal to 5. These two angles are equal. SB bisect angle AST. SB line bisect AST means angle 2 equal to, that implies angle 2 equal to angle 3. This is the equation 1. Angle 2 equal to angle 3. So here from the lines, for the lines, here AS is parallel to BT and BS is a transversal. AS is parallel to BT and SB is transversal. So means here angle 5 equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles. Angle 5 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 5, alternate interior angles. angles. So alternate interior angles. So here already we know that 2 equal to 3, here 2 equal to 5. So here therefore here angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 5. This is the, suppose this is the equation 2. Angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 5. So now here we take the triangle SBT. Here triangle SBT. Therefore in triangle SBT, here angle 3 equal to 5 and 4 equal to 5, means here 3 equal to 5, 4 equal to 5, means here angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5. These three angles are equal. These three angles are equal means this is the equilateral triangle. Each angle is 60 degrees. So here this is the equilateral triangle and each angle is 60 degrees. So here these three angles equal means equilateral triangle. So here in triangle SBT is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle and each of its angle is equal to 60. Each angle is 60 degrees. So each angle is 60 degrees means these three angles are 60 degrees. These three angles are 60 degrees. Now here we know the angle 2 and angle 3. This is the straight line. So sum of angle 1, 2, 3 equal to 180 degrees. Is it? So here now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees because is a line. Is a line. Line RT. Line RT. So here already we know these two angles. 3 equal to 60 degrees. Here angle 5 equal to 2 means 2 also 60 degrees. So here angle 1 plus 60 degrees equal to 180. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 120. Here angle 1 equal to 60 degrees. So this is the second one complete answer. Next, third question. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to DE. Then find the values of x and y. So here given diagram, here x 3x is there, here y. So this angle is 105, here 24 degrees. These two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. So here we find the x and y values. Now here first given figure AB is parallel to CD. We write the given data. Given that AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. So here these two are the parallel sets. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. So first here we take AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to CD. Here BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. So here 3x equal to 105. Alternate 105 degrees. So alternate interior angles. Since alternate interior angles. So next we take another one. Here BC is parallel to DE. BC is parallel to DE. Here DC is a transversal. Here therefore here BC is parallel to DE. BC is parallel to DE and DC is a transversal. Angle D equal to 105. These two angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. Angle D equal to 105 degrees. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. So here we take the triangle CDE. Now in triangle CDE, here CDE is equal to, here sum of these three angles. Here this one D angle is here 105. Here angle D plus angle C plus angle E equal to 180. So angle C equal to angle D equal to 105 degrees, angle C equal to 24 degrees, angle E equal to Y degrees is equal to 180. So here 129 plus Y equal to 180, Y equal to 180 minus 129. So here Y equal to 51 degrees is the answer. This is the third one solution. Next, fourth question, in the adjacent figure DE is perpendicular to DA, BE is perpendicular to DA, and CD is perpendicular to DA. So then prove that angle M into angle 1 is congruent to M into angle 3, 1 and 3. So here 1 and 3, M into angle 1 equal to congruent M into angle 3. So we prove this one. Here adjacent figure BE is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA. So first given that BE is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA. BA and CD, these two are perpendicular to DA. So here CD is perpendicular to DA, BE is perpendicular to DA, means these two are the 90 degrees angles. So here these two are parallel because same line perpendicular these two lines. So CD and DA are parallel lines. So here we write that one. Two lines CD and BE are perpendicular to the same line DA. So that implies here CD is parallel to BE. This line, these two are the parallel. Here angle D and angle E are the equal 90 degrees. Angle D equal to angle E equal to 90 degrees. So here CD is parallel to BE and DA is a DB is a transversal. Here CD and BE are parallel lines and BD is a transversal. DB is a transversal. Transversal means here angle 1 equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Since alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Angle 1 equal to 3. So now here angle 1 equal to 3 means here multiply both sides M into 1 equal to M into 3. Does not change these values. So here M into angle 1 equal to M into angle 3. So here M into angle 1 equal to M into angle 3. So hence proof. So this is the fourth one answer. Fifth question, find the value of x and y for which the lines AD and BC become parallel. So here given diagram 2x 5y 30 degrees, here x minus y degrees. Here we find the x comma y angles. So here which the lines AD and BC become parallel. So here given that AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. These two are the parallel. So here BA is a transversal. So AB is a transversal. So here AD is transversal means here x minus y. So here x minus y. Here 2x, two angles are given in this triangle. Here 5, this is the 5y angle. Here 30 degrees. So here 30 degrees means here AD and BC are the parallel, AB is a transversal. These two angles are alternate interior angles. These two angles are equal. So here 5y is equal to 2x, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles. Next, AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. AC is transversal. AC is transversal means here AC. So 30 degrees equal to x minus y. X minus y equal to 30 degrees. This is the equation 1. So here this is the equation 2. So now solve these two equations and find the x and y values. So here x equal to, we write y plus 30. Y plus 30. So x value substitute the equation 1. Equation 1 in x value. X value. So here 1 implies 5y is equal to 2 into x. Here x equal to, we write y plus 30. So 5y equal to 2y plus 60. 5y minus 2y is equal to 5 minus 2y is equal to here 60. 3y is equal to 60. Y equal to 60 by 3. 3 ones are 3 20s is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 degrees. So y equal to 20 degrees. Here we find the x value. So here y is equal to 20 degrees. Write in equation 2. In equation 2. In equation 2 means here x minus 20 equal to 30. X equal to 30 plus 20. So here x equal to 50. Here x equal to, therefore x equal to 50 and y equal to 20 are the answer. This is the complete solution of fifth one. Sixth question, find the value of x and y. Here in this diagram, here x and here y degrees are there. One angle is 30, one angle is 40. Suppose this is the straight line. Y plus 140 is equal to 180. We find the y value. Next, this is the exterior angle. This exterior angle equals sum of opposite other two interior angles. So here y plus 140 is a linear pair. Sum is equal to 180 degrees. So here from the figure, y plus 140 equal to 180. So linear, since linear pair, a linear pair of angles. So here y is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to, here y is equal to 40 degrees. Now y is equal to 40 degrees. So here x equal to, x is a exterior angle. This exterior angle equal to sum of other interior angles. So x equal to 30 plus y. So and x equal to 30 plus y. So exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. So x equal to 30 plus y. Here y equal to 40. 30 plus 40. So x equal to 70 degrees. So here x equal to 70 degrees. Here asking x and y values. Therefore x equal to 70 degrees and y equal to 40 degrees. This is the sixth one. Complete answer. Seventh question. In the given figure, segments shows by arrowheads are parallel. Find the values of x and y. So here arrowheads are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Suppose these two are parallel. This is the intersecting line. Means here 45 degrees means here also 45 degrees. Next, here 30 degrees. Because these two are parallel, this is the transversal. Transversal means here 30 means this is also 30 degrees. Alternate interior angles. So here from the figure, here these arrows shown by arrows heads are parallel lines. These two are parallel. This is the transversal, means here 30 equal to x degrees, x equal to 30 degrees. Alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles, interior angles. So these two are the interior alternate angles, x equal to 30 degrees. Next, these two are parallel and this is the transversal, means here 45. Here 45 means here also 45. Here also 45. So here y is equal to, y is a exterior angle. Y is exterior angle means here sum of opposite interior angles is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So here y is equal to here 45 plus here 30 degrees. So here 45 plus 30 degrees. So that equal to 75 degrees. Y equal to, because here exterior angles of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Here x equal 30 degrees and y equal 75 degrees is the answer. This is the 7th one answer. Next, 8th question. In the given figure, sides QP and QRQ of angle PQR, angle PQR. So here are produced to points S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 135 degrees, PQT equal to 110 degrees, find the PRQ, find this angle value. So here two exterior angles given, we find the interior angle. Here from the figure given that angle SPR equal to 135 degrees, angle PQT equal to 110 degrees. So here we find the PRQ angle. So we find this angle. Two exterior angles are given. So first here 135 means here angle QPR is equal to, is these two are the linear pair. Sum is equal to 180. So here first we write the angle QPR plus 135 is equal to 180 is a linear pair of angles. So here linear pair of angles. Here angle QPR equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to here 45 degrees. Here 45 degrees. Now here this is also same. These two are the linear pair. So here angle TQP plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So, angle TQP is equal to 110 plus PQR is equal to 180 degrees. Angle PQR equal to 180 minus 110. So here is equal to 70 degrees. So this one is the 70, this one is the 45 degrees. So here this is the 45 degrees, this is the 70 degrees. So now here we find this angle. Here asking this angle. So we find this angle. This sum of three angles in a triangle. So here we write the angle PRQ plus here 70 degrees plus 45 equal to 180. Angle sum property. So here angle PRQ, here 70 plus 45 115 is equal to 180. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115. So here angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115 means here 65 degrees. Here asking angle PRQ is equal to 65 degrees. This is the complete 8th one answer. Next, ninth question. In the given figure, angle x equal to 62 degrees, x, y, z equal to 54 degrees. In triangle x, y, z, o, y, if o, y, o and z, o is the bisect of x, y, z and x, z, y. So, these two are the bisect of these angles. So, represented, we find the o, z, y, and y, o, z, these two angles. We find these two angles. So, here first we write the given data. Here angle x equal to 62 degrees. So, here given that angle x equal to 62 degrees and angle y equal to 54 degrees, or x, y, z are y, both are equal, is equal to, we write x, y, z also, x, y, z is equal to 54 degrees. So, now here if y, o and z, o are bisects of x, y, z and x, z, y. So, here y, o and z, o are the bisectors of angle x, y, z and x, z, y. So, these two are the bisectors of these two angles. So, now here we find the OZY and YOZ. So, here first, here in triangle XYZ triangle, already two angles are given. We find this angle is equal to XYZ. So, first one is coming. So, here sum of the angles in a triangle. So, here 62 degrees plus 54 degrees plus angle XYZ is equal to 180, since angle sum property. These three angles are equal. So, here 62 plus 54 equal to 116 plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degrees. Angle XYZ equal to 180 minus 116. 180 minus 116 equal to 64 degrees. Therefore, angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. Here first one is here OZY asking. Next second one is YOZ asking. So, here this angle is coming. So, here this complete angle is 64. These two are Y angle bisect of OY. So, Z angle is bisect of OZ. So, here 54 means here 54 by 2. Here 27, here also 27. Here also next, these two are bisect OZ. So, means here 32 degrees. We write that one. So, here first in a, so here OY and OZ bisect angle XYZ and XZY. So, here angle OYZ is equal to 1 by 2 into 54. 54 is equal to 27 degrees. Next angle OZY equal to here angle 1 by 2 into 64, that equal to here 32 degrees. So, here we know the two angles. So, in triangle YOZ, here 22 degrees angle OYZ plus angle YZO plus here angle YOZ is equal to 180. This is the angle sum property. These three angles are equal to 180. Already we know these two angles. Here OYZ 22 degrees. Here 27 degrees, this one 27 degrees plus here YZO 32 degrees plus here YOZ equal to 180. So, here 27 plus 32 59 degrees. So, here 59 plus YOZ equal to 180 degrees. YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59. 180 minus 59. That equal to 121 degrees. Y, O, Z. You're asking. First one is here O, Z, Y. O, Z, Y. O, O, Z, Y. This one. Next, you're asking Y, O, Z. Y, O, Z is equal to 112 degrees. This is the ninth one solution. This is the complete solution of ninth one. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC 35 degrees, CDE 53 degrees. We find the DCE. Here these two are the parallel lines. AE is the transversal, means here 35 means here also 35. So we find this angle. Here first we write the given data. Given that here AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. So here angle BAC equal to 35 degrees. BAC. Next, CDE is equal to 53 degrees. So these two angles are given. So first now here we find this angle E. So here AB is parallel to DE, and AE is a transversal. So here AE is a transversal. Now angle this one equal to this one equal. Angle A equal to angle E are equal. Alternate interior angles. Angle A equal to angle E. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. These two are the equal. Means here A equal to 35 means angle E equal to, this is angle A equal to also 35 degrees. So here this one is the 35 degrees. Now here asking this angle DCE. So we write the triangle in triangle DCE. This triangle, already we know the two angles, so we find the C angle. So here asking DCE. In triangle DCE is equal to, here sum of three angles. Angle DCE plus angle 53 plus 35 is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Angle sum property, these three angles are equal. So here angle DCE is plus here 53 plus 35, 88 is equal to 180. So here DCE is equal to 180 minus 88 is equal to 92 degrees. Angle DCE is equal to 92 degrees. Here asking DCE is equal to 92 degrees. This is the 10th one complete answer. 11th one, in the given figure, if line segment PQ and RS intersect at point T such that PRT equal to 40 degrees, RPT equal to 95 degrees and TSQ is equal to 75 degrees, find the SQT. Here three angles are given, we find the SQT. PQ and RT are the intersecting lines, intersecting at P. So intersecting at T is the intersecting point. Now here first we write the given data. Here given that here three angles are given. Here PRT equal to 40 degrees, RPT equal to 95 degrees and TSQ equal to 75 degrees. Here three angles are given. Next, in the given figure, line segment PQ and RS intersecting at a point T. So here line segment PQ and RS intersect at a point T. So T is the intersecting point. So these two angles are equal. Now here we take the triangle PRT. In triangle PRT here two angles are given, we find the third angle. So here angle sum property, we use the angle sum property. Here angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR, angle PTR equal to 180. This is the angle sum property. Angle sum property. So here angle sum property, these three angles, here we know the two angles, one is the 95, second one is the 40 degrees, we don't know the PTR, so is equal to 180. Here PTR equal to 180, here 95 plus 40, 95 plus 40 equal to 135, so 135 plus here PTR equal to 180 minus 135 degrees is equal to 45 degrees. This angle equal to here 45 degrees. 45 means here P, S and P are the intersecting at a point T. So this one is the vertically opposite. So these two are the intersecting angles. Here also 45 degrees. So here 45 degrees, we write that one. Here PQ and RS are the intersecting at a point T. So therefore here angle PTR is equal to angle STQ is equal to 180 degrees. So here these two are the vertically opposite angles. Here 45 degrees, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle PTR equal to STR equal to 45 degrees. These two angles equal to 45 degrees. Now here asking SQT, this angle. Here in this triangle already we know that two angles. So in triangle TSQ, here already we know the two angles. Now here we write the angle sum property. Here angle Q or STQ plus angle TSQ plus angle SQT is equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property. So here first, here we know that these two triangles, one is the STQ is the 45 degrees, next plus TSQ is the 75 degrees plus SQT is equal to 180. Here 45 plus 75 means here 120 degrees plus SQT equal to 180. Here SQT equal to 180 minus 120 degrees, that equal to 60 degrees. Here asking SQT. So here angle, therefore angle SQT equal to 60 degrees. Here hence proof. This is the complete 11th question proof. Next 12th one. In the adjacent figure, ABC is a triangle in which B equal to 50 degrees, C equal to 70 degrees. Sides AB and AC are produced if Z is the measure of the angle between the bisect of the exterior angles so formed, then find Z. So here these two exterior angles bisect this OB. This exterior angle is bisect OC. So here we find the Z value. So here given that, first we write the given data. Here given that angle B equal to 50 degrees and angle C equal to 70 degrees. Given that angle B equal to 50 degrees and angle C equal to 70 degrees. These two angles are given. Next, sides AB and AC produced if Z is the measure of the angle between bisect of the exterior angles. Here these two angles bisect. So here angle between bisectors of exterior angles B and C is Z. Here B, exterior angle of B is bisect OB. Next, exterior angle of C is bisect OC. So these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. So now here we write the, here from the figure, this is the straight line. Straight line means 50 plus x equal to 180. So here 50 plus x equal to 180. Next, this is also same. Here 70 plus y equal to 70 plus y equal to 180. This means here 50 plus 2x equal to 180. This means here 70 plus 2y equal to 180, because this is a, here AB is a line. So here AC is a line. So here these two equal to 180. So now here first we find the x value. Here we write 2x equal to 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50, 2x equal to here 130. 130 means x equal to 130 by 2. Here 130 by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 65 is equal to 65 degrees. X equal to 65 degrees. Next we find the y value. Same method, use this one. Here 2y equal to 180 minus 70. Here 2y equal to 110. So here y equal to 110 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 55 so that equal to 55 degrees. Here y equal to 55 degrees. So now here x equal to 65, y equal to 55 degrees. Now BCD, in triangle BCD, here we know these two angles. Now here we find third one. So here first in triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, here x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property. So here 65 plus 55. Here already we know the x value is 65 and y value is 55. We find the z value. Z 180. Here 65 plus 55. 120 plus z is equal to 180. Here z is equal to 180 minus 120. So here that equal to 60. Z is equal to 60. Here z is equal to 60. Therefore z is equal to 60. Here asking z value. So here we find the z value. This is the complete solution of 12th one. Here 13th question, in the given figure PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is parallel to SR. These two are the parallel. PQ is perpendicular to PS. If angle SQR equal to 28 and QPT equal to 65, then find the value of x and y values. Here asking x and y values. Here these two are the parallel, means this angle and this angle both are the alternate interior angles. These two are equal. We find the x value. Automatically here PSD is a triangle. We know these two angles. We find the third one. So here first we write the given data. Here given that here PQ is perpendicular to PS. Next PQ is parallel to SR. These two are the parallel. So here two angles are given. One angle is SQR equal to 28 degrees. Next angle is TRS equal to 65 degrees. TRS equal to 65 degrees. So now here we write the, here from the figure, PQ is parallel to SR and RQ is a transversal. So these two are parallel. RQ is a transversal, means here this complete angle is equal to 65. X plus 28 equal to 65. So here x plus 28 degrees equal to 65. So alternate interior angles. alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles, here x equal to 65 minus 28. X equal to, here 65 minus 28 is equal to 37 degrees. We know the x value. Here in triangle PSQ, this is the right angle. Next another two angles, x plus y equal to 90 degrees. So here PSQ in triangle PSQ. So here x plus y equal to 90 degrees. Already we know the x value. Here substitute 37 degrees plus y equal to 90 degrees. Y is equal to 90 minus 37 degrees. So here 90 minus 37 equal to 53 degrees. Y equal to 53 degrees. Here asking x and y values. Here x equal 37 degrees, y equal to 53 degrees. This is the answer. So this is complete answer of 13th question. This is the complete answer of 13th question. So here 14th question, in the given figure triangle ABC and AC has been produced at D. So angle BCD equal to 125 degrees. Here angle A is 2, angle B equal to 2 is to 3. Find measure of the angle A and B. So here this is the exterior angle, opposite interior angles ratio is given. So this exterior angle equal to sum of opposite these two interior angles. So we find these two angles. Here given that here angle BCD equal to 125 degrees. So here interior angles A is to B ratio is equal to angle A is to angle B equal to 2 is to 3. So here now sum of the ratios, here sum of the terms of the ratio angle A is to angle B is equal to, here 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here sum of the ratio, here these two angles sum is equal to 125. So here these two angles sum is equal to 125 because here these two are the interior angles, this one is the exterior angle. So here we write that one. Already we know that angle A plus angle B equal to 125. We write the reason. Exterior angles of triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. Sum of its opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. So here angle A plus B equal to 125. So now here we find the angle A. Here we know the sum of the ratios and angle A ratio is 2. So that equal to 2 by sum of the ratios 5 into 125 is equal to here 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 fives are 2 into 25 50 degrees. Here angle A equal to 50. Next angle B. Here angle B ratio is 3 and sum of the ratios is 5. 3 by 5 into 125. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 fives are 3 into 25 equal to 75 degrees. Here A equal to 50 degrees, B equal to 75 degrees. Here asking angle A and angle B values. So we find angle A equal to 50, angle B equal to 75 degrees. So this is the 14th one answer. Fifteenth question, in the adjacent figure it is given that BC is parallel to DE and BAC equal 35 degrees, BCE equal to 102 degrees. Find the measure of angle BCA and ADE, this one CDED. Here asking 1, 2, 3 angles. These 3 angles are asking. So we find that one. First we write the given data. Here given that here BC is parallel to DE and 2 angles are given. Angle BAC equal to 35 degrees, BAC CE equal to 102 degrees. So this is the given data. Now here first one is asking BCA, angle BCA. So here we find the first one, angle BCA. From the figure, here angle BCA. So this angle. So these two are the linear pair. So sum is equal to 180. So 102 plus BCA equal to 180 degrees. 102 plus angle BCA equal to 180 degrees. Now angle BCA equal to 180 minus 102. So here 102 is equal to 78 degrees. 78 degrees. So here angle BCA equal to 78 degrees. Next here second one ADE. ADE, this one angle. So here this one is the 78. So here next here angle ADE, angle ADE, this one angle asking. So here this one means here first we find this one, sum of these two angles. These two are the in triangle BCA. These two are the interior angles, this is the exterior angle. So this exterior angle equals sum of these two interior angles, 78 plus 35. 78 plus 35 equal to 113. This is the 113 degrees. Sum of these two angles is equal to 113. So here DE and BC are the parallel lines. So BD is a transversal. So sum of these angles, corresponding angles, interior. So here interior angles. So here interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So these interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These two angles sum is equal to 180. Now here second one. Second one is the here angle ADE. ADE. So angle ADE plus angle CBD equal to 180 degrees. So since interior angles are the on the same side of the transversal, same side of the transversal. So these two angles CBD equal to 113, 78 plus 35. So we write that one. So here angle ADE equal plus angle CDE equal to 78 plus 35 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So angle ADE equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles. Sum of these two angles equal to 113. So equal to here 67 degrees. Angle ADE equal to 67 degrees. So now here third one. Here third one asking angle CED. Angle CED. Here asking this one angle. So here these two are the parallel lines. EC is a transversal. So here these two are angles are equal. So we write that one. So here third one. Here from the figure. From the figure, DE is parallel to BC and EC is a transversal. EC is a transversal. So EC is transversal means here angle CED equal to angle BCA equal to here 78 degrees. Corresponding angles. So these two are the equal. So here finally you are asking therefore angle CED equal to 78 degrees. Here third angle is 78 degrees. This is the 15th solution. Sixteenth question. In the adjacent figure, it is given that AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. These two angles sides are equal. Angle BAC equal to 36 degrees. Angle ADB angle ADB equal to 45 degrees. Angle AEG equal to 40 degrees. AEC equal to 40 degrees. Find ABC. Find ABC. angle next ACB, DAB, DAB, here EAC, EAC angles. We find these four angles. In the adjacent figure, it given that AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal. So here BAC equal to 36 degrees and ADB equal to 45 degrees. AEC equal to 40. So here first one asking ABC, this angle. Next second one ACD. So this one, these two. Suppose here we take the ABC triangle, these two sides are equal means these two angles also equal. So this is the equilateral triangle. So here we find that angles. Here first we write the given data. Here given that AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, and BAC, angle BAC equal to 36 degrees, angle ADB equal to 45 degrees, angle ADB equal to 45. Next angle AEC equal to 40, AEC equal to 40. So here first we find these two angles at a time. So here for 1 and 2 we write the 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2 answers. So here in triangle ABC, here AB equal to AC, these two sides are equal. Means opposite angles also equal. So that implies here angle ABC equal to angle ACB, angle ABC equal to angle ACB. These two angles are equal. So here one angle is 36, next two angles are equal. So we write the angle sum property. So here 36 plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degrees. So angle sum property. So here we use the angle sum property. These three angles is equal to 180. So here angle ABC, ACD both are equal. So we write the 36 plus angle 2ABC equal to 180 because these two are equal. We write 2ABC. So here 2ABC equal to 180 minus 36. Angle ABC equal to here 180 minus 30, 144. Here 2 is there by 2, that equal to 72 degrees. Angle ABC equal to, therefore angle ABC equal to 72 degrees. Now here angle ABC equal to second one is also ACB is also 72 degrees. These two are the equal. So that's why we write these two are the 72 degrees. First one and second one answer is equal. So next we find the third one. Here third one is equal to angle DAB, this one. Here this one, third one angle. This is the first one, second one, third one, this is the third one. EAC, this is the fourth one asking. So first we find the third angle. Third angle is equal to DAB. So here we know this one. This is the scalar angle. This means here 72 degrees. Here 72 means this one 180 minus 72. 180 minus 72 means here 108 degrees. Here also same 108 degrees. So now here ADB triangle, we know the two angles. We find third one. So here now third one. Here from the figure angle ABD plus angle ABC, equal to 180. So here angle ABD equal to 180 minus 72. Here this one is the 72. 72 is equal to 108 degrees. In triangle ABD, here angle DAB, three angles. So here in triangle ABD, ABD, this triangle. Here we know the two angles. Now here we find the third one. So here third one is equal to, we write here angle DAB plus angle ABD plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. We know these two angles. We find the DAB plus angle ABD equal to 108. Here 108. Angle D equal to already given in question 45 degrees equal to 180. Here 45 108 plus 108 equal to 153. So angle DAB plus 153 is equal to 180. So angle DAB equal to 180 minus 50, 153. Angle DAB is equal to 27 degrees. This angle equal to 27 degrees. This is the third one. Now here same method we use the next fourth one also. So here fourth one. Here we find the fourth one from the figure. Here from the figure, and in the triangle here ACB plus ACE, these two are the linear pair. This one is the 72 degrees. Now here this one is the 180 minus 72, 108 degrees. We write that one. Here angle ACE equal to 180 minus 72 degrees. Here that equal to 180 minus 72. 180 minus 72 equal to 108 degrees. 108 degrees. So here in triangle ACE, here three angles. Sum of these three angles. Angle ACE. So here CEA, CAE. These three angles are sum is equal to 180. So here angle EAC plus 108 plus 40 degrees equal to 180. So here angle EAC equal to 148 equal to 180. So angle EAC equal to 180 minus 148. So angle EAC equal to here 32 degrees. This is the fourth one answer. 16th question. So here first two answers. 16th question, first two answers. Next, this is the second two answers, third and fourth. Seventeenth question, using information given in the figure, calculate the value of x and y. So here one diagram is given. So here some angles are given, 24 degrees, 34 and 62 degrees. We find the values of x and y. So here two triangles are given. Here this is the given diagram. Here first ABC triangle, two angles are given. So here two angles, here 34 and 62. 34 and 62 total is 96. So third one angle is 180 minus 96 equal to 84 degrees. So here this one is 84, x and this one is linear pair. So we find the x value. Next, this is the exterior angle of DCE triangle. So sum of these angles, interior angles is equal to exterior angle. We find the y value. So here first we find this angle. We write the given data. So first here from the figure, in triangle ACB, so ACB in triangle, here sum of the three angles, 34 degrees plus 62 degrees plus angle ACB equal to 180 degrees. So here 34 degrees plus 62 degrees plus ACB equal to 180 degrees. So this is the angle sum property. Angle sum property. So here therefore angle ACB equal to, here sum of these two angles, 180 minus 34 plus 62. 34 plus 62 equal minus 96. Here 84 degrees is the 180 minus 96 equal to 84 degrees. Angle ACB equal to 84 degrees. Now next, these two are the linear pair. So here angle and angle X degrees plus ACB equal to 180 degrees. Here x equal to plus ACB equal to here 84 degrees. 180. X equal to 180 minus 84. X equal to here 96 degrees. Here x equal to 96 degrees. So this is the x value. Now here we find the y value. These two are the interior angles. This one is the exterior angle. So here y is equal to, therefore y is equal to 24 degrees plus x degrees. So 24 plus x. Here x equal to 96. 24 degrees plus 96 degrees. Because here y is a exterior. Y is a exterior angle in triangle DCE. In triangle DCE. So is a exterior angle. Here 24 plus 96 equal to 120. Y equal to 120 degrees. So here y equal to 120 degrees is the answer. This is the complete solution of 17th question. In this exercise, this is the last problem. So, and chapter also. So now complete the exercise 4.4. This complete notes PDF link on description is there. If you are interested, download it.